Hi everyone, I'm making this video to discuss with you options for helping your parents to receive their green cards. And so before we dive into that topic, I'd like to introduce myself and our firm. My name is attorney Megan Pastrana from Corrado Pastrana, the immigration firm for couples. And we are dedicated exclusively to assisting couples in navigating the immigration process. We know how important it is for you to have up-to-date information and relevant information regarding your immigration journey. And so we regularly update our YouTube channel with informative videos, with updates, and then also just general information as it relates to the world of immigration and couples. So if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so now and give this video a thumbs up so YouTube will share it with others who can benefit from this information. And we also have a Facebook group called Immigration for Couples, which we've listed the link below. So let's dive in. If you're a United States citizen, you might be thinking of the possibility of petitioning your parents. We have so many clients that we've helped. We've helped hundreds and hundreds of couples navigate the immigration process from beginning of their journey all the way through naturalization. And one of the first things that a lot of our couples want to do once they receive their citizenship is they want to know options for bringing their parents. Because sometimes your parents might want to come and also live in the United States with you as green card holders. Or your parents might already be in the United States and you're looking for options for them to be able to remain here permanently. So I'd like to kind of break down, do an overview of how to petition for parents and who's eligible. So first off, eligibility. Who's eligible to petition for their parents? So you have to be over 21 years old and you have to be a United States citizen to be able to petition for your parents. You can't be a green card holder, you have to be a United States citizen. So that's one of the benefits. If you haven't already applied for naturalization or you're thinking of filing for naturalization for your citizenship, that's one of the benefits of becoming a citizen, is the ability to petition for your parents. Another requirement is that you are either the biological child or the stepchild of your parent. And so for biological children, we would just have to show your birth certificate listing your mother and your father as your parents, as your biological parents, in order for you to petition for them. However, it's really important to know you can also you can petition for your step-parents to be green card holders as well. And in order to qualify as a stepchild that can petition for their parent, your step-parent had to have married your biological parent before your 18th birthday. So before you turned 18, that individual has to be your stepmother or stepfather. Your parents would have had to have gotten married before your 18th birthday. And then you would be able to petition, if you're a United States citizen, you'd also be able to petition for your step-parent. And so those are the main eligibility requirements. And there's two main options available for being able to petition for your parents to receive their green cards. There's an option called consular processing, and that's for individuals who are outside of the United States. And it's consular processing because one of the steps in the process is that your parent, your biological or step-parent, would have to actually go to a U.S. embassy or consulate abroad for an interview before they could enter the United States as a green card holder. So if your parent is living outside of the country, that would be the option that would be available to them. Some individuals have parents who are actually already living in the United States. And for those individuals, they might be eligible for something called adjustment of status, which means that they can actually apply for the process here while they are in the United States to receive their green card. There's a lot of eligibility questions that we as attorneys have to ask if that is the situation, because there's lots of issues that can arise in that context if the person is already here. One of the requirements is for that adjustment of status for the person to complete the process here would be that the parent had entered the United States with inspection, which means that they've entered the United States with some kind of visa, that they've come through a port of entry and been inspected. For other parents, if they've ever entered the United States without documents and been in the US without documents, they might not have an option available to them for their children to petition for them here in the US. I don't want to get too far into the weeds on that, but I do want to let you all know of an option for individuals in that situation who happen to have children in the military, in the US military. Those children can actually still potentially petition for their parents. There's some special exceptions there. And we'll make a whole separate video on that topic. But just know that there are two paths available to be able to bring your parents. One is if they're outside of the United States, called consular processing. And then for some individuals who are here in the United States, they might actually be able to complete a process here called adjustment of status. But the main takeaway is that if you're over 21 years old, over 21 years of age, I can't talk today, if you're over 21 years of age, and you're wanting to bring your parents, if you're a United States citizen and you're wanting to petition for your parents to receive their green card, we would love to help you. As I mentioned, this is something that comes up for many of our couples once they get to the phase of their case where they naturalize and become citizens. It's a huge benefit to be able to bring your family members as well. And so we'd love to help you with your case. If you're interested in bringing your parents or petitioning for your parents, we have a link below for you to schedule an appointment with one of our attorneys, and we'd be happy to walk you through whether or not your parents are eligible and what path would be the best for you and for them. So we'd love to help you help your parents get their green card. We hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.